Ready to see home design taken to the next level? These incredible smart furniture ideas blend luxury, innovation, and space-saving genius all in one. From hidden storage to transforming pieces that adapt to your lifestyle, every design will leave you inspired. Check out all the products linked in the description below. Meet the sofa that bends to your lifestyle. With one smooth motion, it transforms from an open sofa into a chic chaise longue, and the backrest rotates a full 360 for endless styling options. Its organic curves create a striking, modern presence while staying playful and functional. A matching swivel armchair adds flexibility, letting you adjust seating exactly how you like. With sleek, aluminum-colored legs and a design that fits any space, it's both elegant and versatile. Step into luxury with this modern bathtub. Made from solid surface material, it feels smooth like natural stone while standing up to daily use for decades. The sleek, transparent design adds a stylish touch, and double walls keep your water warm longer for a relaxing soak. It's scratch-resistant too. Small marks can be easily polished away. At around 185 pounds, it's heavy and stable, giving you a wobble-free, spa-like experience every time. Meet the sofa that does it all. This 4-in-1 convertible sofa easily transforms into a bed, floor couch, recliner, or ottoman with just a simple pull. Plush, high-density foam keeps you comfy whether you're lounging, gaming, or hosting overnight guests. Its sleek, button-tufted design and handy side pockets add style and practicality. No assembly required. Just unfold, relax, and enjoy. Meet the trash can that's smarter than it looks. With a built-in motion sensor, the lid opens automatically when your hand approaches. No touching, no mess. Perfect for when your hands are full or covered in kitchen chaos. It seals shut quietly after a few seconds, keeping odors in and germs out. Sleek, waterproof, and modern, it blends effortlessly into any room in your home. Need seating that adapts to your space? This 5-in-1 cube ottoman is as versatile as it is stylish. Use it as a stool, footrest, dining chair, or even a storage box to keep clutter out of sight. Smooth PU leather makes cleaning a breeze, while sturdy casters let you roll it anywhere with ease. Stack, nest, or spread out, this little cube handles it all while looking modern and sleek. Running out of pantry space? This 9-tier over-the-door organizer turns any plain door into a storage powerhouse. It holds everything from spice jars to snacks, cleaning supplies, or even bathroom essentials. The sturdy metal frame is rust-resistant and built to handle heavier items without wobbling. No tools or drilling needed, just hang it up, load it, and instantly create extra room where you didn't think you had any. Upgrade your bathroom routine with this round LED vanity mirror. You can adjust brightness and color temperature with a simple touch, and it remembers your favorite settings every time. Anti-fog technology keeps your reflection clear even after a hot shower, while waterproof construction ensures safety. The sleek design works vertically or horizontally, and installation is quick and easy. Your pantry just got an upgrade. This rotating grain dispenser keeps your rice, beans, and cereals perfectly organized in 6 separate compartments. A simple push of a button releases just the right amount, so there's no mess or waste. The airtight seal keeps everything fresh and moisture-free. Sleek, space-saving, and easy to spin, it makes kitchen storage feel effortless and modern. Movie night just got way more comfortable. This clever bamboo armrest tray turns your couch into a mini table, perfect for holding your drink, snacks, phone, or remote. The anti-slip base keeps everything steady, even during the most intense scenes. You can detach the cup holder and use it as a food tray or laptop pad too. It's sleek, foldable, and fits snugly on almost any sofa arm. Shoes taking over your floor? This 10-tier foldable shoe cabinet keeps every pair neatly in place. With clear magnetic doors, you can instantly spot your favorite sneakers, heels, or boots without opening a single box. The sturdy plastic design stays stable, yet folds down easily when not in use. Dust-free, space-saving, and sleek, it's the perfect solution for keeping your entryway or closet organized and clutter-free. Who knew organizing your books could look this cool? This rotating bookshelf spins smoothly so you can grab your next read with just a twist. Its tall, 6-tier design holds tons of books while taking up hardly any space. Made from sturdy bamboo, it's both durable and stylish, a perfect fit for any corner. You can even use it to display plants, decor, or collectibles with flair. Your countertop just found its new best friend. This 4-layer kitchen cabinet keeps your dishes, bowls, and utensils perfectly organized while protecting them from dust. The magnetic flip doors open smoothly, and the built-in drainage trays keep everything dry and fresh. With sturdy carbon steel and sleek semi-transparent panels, it looks as good as it functions. From cups to spices, every kitchen essential finally has its place. Hosting guests or heading out camping just got easier. This self-inflating air mattress unfolds into a full queen-sized bed with its built-in frame and pump doing all the work for you. In minutes, you've got a sturdy, elevated sleep surface that feels just like a real bed. When you're done, it deflates and folds neatly into a compact carry bag. Comfort and convenience, all rolled into one. Serving just got smarter. This expandable Lazy Susan turns any dining table, round, oval, or rectangular, into a rotating buffet everyone can reach. Its heat-resistant, non-slip trays handle hot dishes with ease while keeping everything steady. Setup takes just 2 minutes, no tools required. When dinner's over, it packs neatly away. Perfect for family meals, parties, or any time you want effortless sharing at the table. Your TV can now drop down from the ceiling like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This motorized mount flips and swivels at the push of a button, giving you the perfect viewing angle from anywhere in the room. You can control it with your phone or even your voice using smart assistants. Built from strong steel, it supports heavy screens with ease. Sleek, space-saving, and seriously impressive. Who says kitchen storage has to be boring? This 4-tier rolling rack makes organizing fruits, veggies, and snacks surprisingly fun. The metal baskets spin smoothly for easy access, and you can remove them anytime for quick cleaning. No assembly needed, just roll it in and start using it. Sturdy, stylish, and space-saving, it keeps your kitchen neat while adding a modern touch to your countertop or corner. Your countertop deserves a little more order. This expandable microwave rack gives your kitchen extra storage without taking up more space. The sturdy carbon steel frame can hold your microwave, dishes, pots, or pantry items with ease. You can adjust its width to fit your setup perfectly and hang utensils on the side hooks for quick access. Strong, sleek, and super practical. It's a true space-saving hero. Ironing just got a whole lot smarter. This compact folding board pops open when you need it and folds in half to store neatly away. There's even a built-in spot for your iron, so everything stays organized and within reach. The special drip-resistant cover keeps your surface dry and smooth for perfect results every time. Plus, the wall hook makes hanging it up effortless and space-saving. Need to reach those high shelves or change a bulb without wobbling? This sturdy folding ladder has you covered. Built from lightweight aluminum, it's easy to carry around but strong enough to keep you steady. The non-slip feet stay firmly in place while protecting your floors from scratches. And when you're done, it folds flat in seconds, ready to tuck away neatly in a closet or corner. Looking for a coffee table set that's stylish and flexible? This nesting set comes with 2 round tables, one large, one small, that you can stack or spread out as you like. The marble pattern tops are scratch resistant and waterproof, while the gold accented steel legs add a touch of elegance. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or apartments, it combines modern design with practical durability. Assembly is quick and simple, so you can enjoy it right away. That empty bathroom corner? You can finally put it to work. This clever wall-mounted corner shelf uses a 90-degree design to maximize every inch of space. The rotating cover keeps your toiletries dust-free while giving it a modern, polished look. Made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic, it's built to last. Perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, or even living rooms, wherever you need smart, compact storage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.